How to fix Google Chrome loading takes too long time. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just go to your browser. As you can see, this is the home page. Go to the top corner, click on those three dots and then go to settings. And now all what you have to do is go to reset and clean up. Go to restore settings to their default. Click here and then go back. Now go to the system option and disable those two options right here. And after you disable them, now the last step is go back and click here, click on more tools and click on clear browsing data. Choose all time and make sure to check the browsing history and the cookies and the cached images and files. And now click on clear data and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.